how to replace the interior door handle. This is old defected door handle. It's broken. That's why we're going to replace a new one. Door handle. Okay guys, this is the new interior door handle. Still inside the plastic. Now we're going to replace. This is the front. And this is the back. This is new one. So begin. My mama going to remove the old defective door handle. Watch and learn, guys. It's so hard, Mama. Yay! The screw has removed. And then next is the door handle. Wow, well done, Mama. The old defected door handle has removed. It's so broken. Now we're gonna insert the new one. The interior door handle. Now it's inserted. The next is going to screw. We're done. Good job, Mama. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy and learn the video. Please comment and see you to the next video. Stay safe, everyone, and God bless. Please don't forget, please like, subscribe, click that notification bell, and share. I Little